welcome back to our channel. Today I'm in Roma Norte, which is in Mexico City. It's a part of Mexico City. And as you can see, it's very beautiful here. A lot of restaurants. And very, very green, very beautiful. I'm really excited to show you guys around. So this is Parque España, Spain Park. It's beautiful, very nice. There's the sign. There you go. They have supposedly free Wi-Fi in this park. It's beautiful. Very nice. They allow dogs in here, so if you have a dog, you may want to bring your dog here. It is still noisy because even though it looks tranquil, you're still in the middle of a city, so you do have a lot of noise. So that may be something to consider if you want to move over here. Buenas tardes. So this looks like the doggy meet over here. The dogs have their little play dates. Check it out. It's very nice. Nice area for the dogs. They call it Area Canina. So this is the dog area. And more dogs over here too. There they are. There they are. It's a nice park. The parks in Mexico City are just beautiful. Very beautiful. I did not see a sign that said you couldn't eat here. I don't know if there is, but I didn't see a sign that said you couldn't. So maybe you can. Looks like there used to be a pool here maybe at one time. Some sort of maybe water here. I don't know. Looks a little bit like it. Not anymore. Oh, the dog is so cute. He's a good dog. Land's really nice. They really take care of the bushes here. So, I'm back on the street. I left the park. And now I'm heading to a Thai restaurant. Nice lights. Oh. This section is pretty quiet so far. So this is another park.
Yes.
It's called Parque Mexico. Very fitting, considering we're in Mexico. And we're in Mexico City. It's beautiful. So something that I've noticed over here in Roma Norte is that the streets are named after like cities. So this is San Luis Potosí, which is a city, capital city in San Luis Potosí, and also Monterrey. And there's also like a Durango, and there's Sinaloa, and many streets named after cities in Mexico. So that's pretty unique, I think. So I walked all the way over here. Online it said that they had what I wanted, and they didn't. So I walked right out. Well, politely walked out. So I'll have to come up with something else. So after thinking about it, I've decided to head back to my Airbnb, and then I'll order something there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you idea of Roma Norte. Beautiful sky up there, sunset. And until next time, bye. And also please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Bye.